Welcome to this series of leverage. First, we're going to start off with other people's knowledge. What is that? How can you use it in your business to be successful? Welcome to today's episode of Biz Coach and Coffee, where we combine business strategies and coffee. Today, we're going to talk about one of the forms of leverage, and that is other people's knowledge. People have been there before you. They have done businesses before you for many, many years, even hundreds of years. Why not take that knowledge and use that knowledge for yourself instead of you thinking that you have to reinvent the wheel? You don't. Use their knowledge. One of the key pieces for this form of leverage, other people's knowledge, it can apply to your situation to make an extraordinary difference in your results. So it could save you a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of frustration, even weeks, and God knows, maybe even months of hard work of you trying to figure it all out. When someone has already figured it out, why are you not learning from them? And successful people, believe it or not, they're always looking around and trying to accumulate someone else's knowledge. They're constantly sweeping the horizons in their lives, seeking continual knowledge in books, magazines, tapes, articles, conferences, lectures, anything for any ideas and insights that can help them grow their business and achieve their goals faster. So why are you not doing the same? Utilize other people's knowledge. Think of all the books that have been written about great leaders. When was the last time you picked one of those up and read about their challenges that probably can be related to your own? Why not learn from these people who have done it before us? If you have any questions regarding today's episode or any of the other episodes, or you have an idea for a topic, please let us know at steve@bizcoachsteve.com. That's B-I-Z, coachsteve.com. We look forward to hearing from you, but to your business success, this is Biz Coach Steve Feld. Have a great day.